Welcome to Jutsu Point. Today, I'm going to quickly show you how you can build the picture-in-picture feature for your website. If you don't know, then picture-in-picture or PIP is a feature that allows you to show a video in a pop-up so that when the user navigates to a different window or tab, your video still keeps playing in a pop-up window. Okay, and you must have seen something like this on YouTube. So today I'm going to show you how you can make this in simple HTML and JavaScript and very easily. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, let's create a video element. Okay, we'll give it an ID of video. And for now, let's say a width of 100%, right? And we'll show the controls on the video as well. Now inside of the video, we'll create a source tag. Okay, now this source tag will have a source attribute and then a type that says video mp4. Okay, and close this source tag and finally close the video tag as well. Okay, now we need to add a video here, so I'm going to use this sample video. I'll paste the URL here and this should load our video now. Right, so here's our video. Let's add some styles for this video so it's not so big. Let's say width 600 px. Right, so it's smaller now. So here's our video. Now we need to add some JavaScript. Okay, but first, to trigger the picture-in-picture feature, we will create a button. Normally, you would add some event listeners like some scroll or window inactivity to trigger this feature. But to keep it simple, in this video, I'm going to just create a button so we can visually debug it using the button. Okay, so I'll create a button that says active PIP and then I'll give this button an ID of button as well. Okay, let's give this button some styles quickly so it looks a bit better. Let's say border none, background of green, and then color of white, font size maybe of 20 px, right? Yeah, so that's enough. Now we'll write the JavaScript that will create our picture-in-picture feature. So for now, let's say if you play this video and you go to a different tabs, then you can't see the video, right? So this is about to change because now we are going to write the JavaScript code. Right. So first of all, we need to get the elements. Right. So first we get the video element. We define a variable const video and we'll call document.get element by ID. Okay, and we'll pass the video's ID, which is again video. So we get the video, then we'll create a button variable and we'll get the button as well. Okay, like this. Now we need to create an event listener to trigger our picture-in-picture, and the event listener will be a click on this button, right? So we'll get the button and we'll do button.add event listener. I'll quickly check the spelling. That's right. So button.add event listener, and the event listener will be click. The second parameter will be a function, and we'll just use a callback function using the arrow function syntax like this. Right, now inside of this, we just need to add one line. Okay, we won't be using any external library because native browser exposes an API to do this out of the box, right? So let's do this. We'll get the video element that we got, and on this video element we'll call a function, and this function is called request picture in picture. Pretty straightforward, right? Let me correct the spelling. So request picture in picture, and this function should do it. Let's test it out. I'll play the video and now activate the PIP. Okay? So here is the pop-up, and now that I move to different tabs, I can see the video still plays. I can even navigate to a different window and the pop-up will still be there. I can replay the video from this pop-up, close it, or click back to tab to go to the website on which the video was originally on. And the video continues from where it was playing in the pop-up. Okay, so to do all of this, you needed only one line of code, which feels like magic, isn't it? So now you have a new trick in your toolbox to impress your bosses and colleagues on your next job. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep bringing hacks and tricks like this for you regularly. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.